Hey there, Greg Marchand here. You want to build a strong brand for your automotive repair business? You got to do a number of things. Yeah, you got to have a logo that stands out maybe, but really it's more important how you use that logo and how you use those colors and what you represent yourself as. We think of branding as swag, right? T-shirts and hats and logos and signs and all that stuff. Look, your brand is as much the culture of your organization. It's as much how you answer the phone consistently. It's as much who you hire as it is any of that visual stuff, right? So yeah, you gotta have a cool logo that stands out. You gotta use that logo well. You gotta have it on your courtesy car. All of that good stuff creates brand. But most importantly, your brand comes from your people. Your brand comes from your culture. Work to develop positive culture. Go see our videos on that. Work to develop culture and get really consistent with things as little as, does everybody answer the phone the same way? Does every customer have the same experience when they come to visit you? Think about all the little things that go into the brands that you know. Keep up the great work and never stop learning.